सृष्टि मिश्रा आप पहुंची हूँ बंगाल के बेलूर मठ में। चूँकि आज है 12 जनवरी यानी कि युवा दिवस, युवा प्रधान देश भारत में आज युवा दिवस बड़े हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाया जा रहा है। और ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे हमारे देश के गौरव और युवाओं के गौरव जीवन के अंतिम समय इसी बेलूर मठ में बिताए थे। रामकृष्ण परमहंस मिशन के तहत ऐसे बहुत सारे जगह आश्रम्स बनाए गए जैसे कि लखनऊ में, इलाहाबाद में, दिल्ली में, कलकत्ता में, ऐसी तमाम जगहों पे बनाया गया है। उनमें से एक बेलूर मठ भी है। बेलूर मठ इसलिए जाना जाता है सबसे ज़्यादा क्योंकि यहाँ पे ही स्वामी विवेकानंद ने अपने आखिरी समय गुजारे थे जब वो सिर्फ 39 की एज में उनकी मृत्यु हो गई थी। इसलिए ज़्यादा फेमस है, ज़्यादा मशहूर है क्योंकि यहाँ पे जितने भी रामकृष्ण परमहंस मिशन के तहत जितने भी बनाए गए हैं आश्रम्स, उनमें से उनका सबका हेडक्वार्टर यहीं पे है। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, इसी कैंपस में कॉलेजेस भी चलते हैं, कोचिंग्स भी चलते हैं। और अभी हम आपको लिवा चलेंगे वहाँ पे जहाँ पे सेलिब्रेशन भी चल रहा है। आज यहाँ पे आने वाले हैं कल्चर मिनिस्टर प्रहलाद सिंह पटेल। इसी कड़ी में यहाँ पे तमाम मीडिया चैनल्स आके पहले से ही शूट के लिए बैठे हुए हैं।
पूछे और आज युवा दिवस है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर इनके बारे में?
मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग बचपन से लेकर अभी तक कोई ऐसा अवसर नहीं है कि किसी कार्यक्रम में स्वामी जी की चित्र को रखकर हम लोगों ने कार्यक्रम किया हो। और मुझे लगता है कि चाहे विद्यार्थी परिषद हो या हम लोग युवा मोर्चे में भी थे तो विवेकानंद जी के चित्र के बगैर हमारा कोई राजनीतिक कार्यक्रम भी नहीं होता था, क्योंकि मोटिवेशन के लिए जो आदर्श थे वो स्वामी जी थे। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी पिछली बार यहाँ पर थे। मैं सौभाग्यशाली हूँ कि आज के दिन मुझे यहाँ और जन्म स्थान पर जाकर प्रणाम करने का मुझे अवसर मिला है। हम अपने आप को भाग्यशाली मानते हैं कि ऐसे दिनों पर हम उनके चरणों में आए हैं। ये हमारे लिए भाग्य की बात है।
सर कल ममता बनर्जी ने कहा कि यहाँ पे बाहरियों की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर?
मुझे लगता है मैं आज चाहता नहीं हूँ कि कोई विवादास्पद बात कहूँ, लेकिन एक बात बड़ी विनम्रता से उनसे कहूँगा कि स्वामी जी के प्रवचन उन्हें सुनने चाहिए। हम भारत के ही हैं, पाकिस्तान के नहीं हैं। तो एक बार शायद अगर स्वामी जी के बौद्धिक को सुन लेंगे तो शायद ऐसी बातें बंद हो जाएंगी। बंगाल सांस्कृतिक विरासत की धरती है, वहाँ ऐसी बातें करना शोभा नहीं देती, और वो भी मुख्यमंत्री को।
सर फोर्टकमिंग विधानसभा निर्वाचन के पहले टर्मोइल सिचुएशन में कभी आप कभी किसी ने विवेकानंद जी स्वामी विवेकानंद लेकर ये जो वितर्क हो रहा है इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं?
मुझे लगता है कि हमारी परंपरा में चाहे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी हों, कभी भी हमारी निरंतरता में कमी नहीं आई। जो नए नए स्वामी जी के चरणों में आ रहे हैं, ये सवाल उनसे करिए, हमसे मत करिए। बहुत धन्यवाद।
कैसा लगा आपको?
पहली दफे बेलूर मठ में आए आप?
जी नहीं, पहले आप गलत जानकारी है, आपको उसको सुधारिए। हाँ, मैंने आपसे कहा ना कि बहुत आज का दिन तो हम सबके लिए गौरव की बात है,
कैसा लगा
दुनिया के लिए भी। और मैंने कहा ना कि मैं अपने आप को भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ कि मुझे इस दिवस पर, इस क्षणों में यहाँ पर उपस्थित होने का मौका मिला। वैसे तो हम आते रहे, लेकिन ऐसे अवसर पर यहाँ पर उपस्थित होना ये हमारे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है। संस्कृति मंत्री होने के नाते मैं कहूँगा कि सांस्कृतिक रूप से कोई आइकॉन है तो स्वामी जी हैं। नमस्कार।
हमारे गौरव यानी कि स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की जयंती पे आप सबको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। और यहाँ पे जितने कुछ भी हो रहे हैं सेलिब्रेशन उनके जन्मदिन पे, उन सब से आपको रूबरू कराएंगे, वहाँ आपको लेके चलेंगे और बताएंगे कि आखिर किस किस तरह से उनके जन्म दिवस पे बेलूर मठ में सारी चीज़ें चल रही हैं, किस तरह का सेलिब्रेशन हो रहा है। हालांकि कोरोना वायरस की वजह से बहुत सारे व्यवधान भी, पहले कि हम आपको उनके जन्म महोत्सव पे लेके चले, उनकी कही गई एक लाइन में सभी युवाओं के लिए या फिर पूरे हर उम्र के लोगों के लिए कहना चाहूँगी कि उठो, जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक तुम्हें तुम्हारे लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति नहीं हो जाती। इसी के साथ अब हम भी चलेंगे और जानेंगे कि किस तरह का महोत्सव चल रहा है यहाँ पे उनके जन्म दिवस पे। साथ बने रहिए।
জীবন
अभी जब भी हम हॉल में थे आपने देखा कि बहुत सारे लोग वहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे थे। उन सबसे अभी बातचीत होगी। यहाँ के ये स्टूडेंट्स हैं, क्योंकि मुझे बंगाली नहीं आती होती है अच्छी, तो मैं इनसे इंग्लिश में ही बात करना प्रेफर करूँगी। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Yes, before we're gonna get started of anything, I just want to know about you people, or the very short intro from any.
My name is Shaunak Gupta and I am a student of Ramakrishna Mission Shikshana Mandir.
Okay, what do you actually study right here? Which subject from?
I am pursuing my Masters in Education.
In education.
Education.
All right, we saw you right there performing some music, right? And I don't even get the meaning of that, but still I just want to ask you a little of it. What was that?
Sure. That was a song sung by Swamiji in the presence of Thakur Sri Ramakrishna. And the first line is, Koto dine hobe she premo sanchar.
So on the 159th birthday of Swami Vivekananda, what do you have got a message of your age, students, those who have been studying, because you're looking completely sincere kind of personality, right now. But the youth of your age have been maybe in any kind of mall or sitting somewhere chilling or hanging out with the friends. What do you have got to say about them?
I have one message to them, to grow up their focus on their belongings. That means they are in their studies and in their personal issues and in their academic issues on. So Swamiji is saying that you have to grow on your focus. You have to grow your focus first. You have to grow your concentration first, and then you will be able to do the work perfectly.
What's your dream? What do you want to do in your future?
I want to be a professor. So I want to.
Because you're doing the Bengali honors.
Yes,
So you're going
I'm
to be
doing-
proficient in this very
Yes.
same subject you're going
Yes,
to be
yes,
having.
yes.
Yeah, right. So one more thing about particularly about the student or the youth of Bengal. And the election is also about to come. This is not something politically correct answer we're going to be having from you. This is something which I want your opinion. That's nothing more than that. So what do you have got to say about the youth of Bengal? What do they need and what the government should focus on?
The government should focus on education. বাংলাতে একটু বলি বিকজ অন বেঙ্গল তো সরকারকে অবশ্যই শিক্ষা ব্যবস্থার দিকে একটু নজর দিতে হবে কারণ
Please in English if you can. Little for me.
The government should keep on eyes in education. Okay, so in education system, in present time in education system there is so many issues. Okay, so if they look into it, so it will be perfect for students.
But what the government should do, this is for the students, you have been given them about your thoughts, your ideas, what should they do? But what the government should do, because the government has got that authority to be looking after all the citizens of their country, of the state where they have been having the power.
Government should first change their some rules. Okay,
What kind of rules you're talking about?
I am telling about the environment in their colleges. Environment, like
Environment.
Ramakrishna Mission.
Yes.
There is a fully serene environment, so
Yes.
a student can pursue or study their higher examination for or something with full of concentration.
Okay, but how to get the concentration at this era where we have got smartphones, where we have got pubs to go, where we have got friends to be hanging out, where we have got many more issues in the politics
So
also to be having interest in?
In that situation, you have to concentration and focus and self-control. Swamiji is saying about self-control. If you will be self-control, then all the problems will be controlled.
One thing which you love more about Swamiji, whatever he happened to say and whatever was his ideology at that moment when he was being here.
Swamiji is saying that work, don't cease to work. Swamiji is saying that I shall not cease to work. So all the students, all of them, all of you. So I will tell you that don't cease to work. What kind of work? It may be good work or don't. You have to seize yourself from the bad work. You have to abstain from the bad work. So you have to do some good work.
Student must be getting inspired by him. What's your age?
My age is 19.
19 years old, and such a beautiful words, such a beautiful thought he has been having from
Surjo.
Surjo, from Surjo. And nice talking to you. We have got two more right here. Where are you from?
From Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes, Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay. So what set you on to be here and studying right here?
I'm here in Ramakrishna Mission Vidya Mandir, and I'm studying chemistry honors here.
Okay. What set you on to be here? Why
What?
you chosen to be here?
Oh yes, I got opportunities here to study. So that's first.
Do you feel proud to be the student of this university?
Yes, yes.
More
very
than
much.
any other universities we have got in our country.
I don't know that, but this is also very good institution, I would say.
Okay, if there are students out there wanted to be having admission right here, what are the process which they should go through?
Admission, they should give the test first.
Mm-hmm.
First, and they have to qualify in that. Afterwards, they have to give a viva, and after that they will be selected. Yes.
Okay. Got selected for this university. What was the very first thought come to your mind having got selected right here?
Wearing dhoti in Punjabi.
You used to be wearing some different clothes.
Yes, ma'am.
The Western clothes.
Western clothes are little bit, but
But having come here, you're supposed to be wearing every day this dhoti kurta.
Every day,
No, not
particular
every day.
time.
Okay.
evening and
Not
morning,
always.
Evening and morning we have prayers, so in that time we
Okay,
wear this.
tell me, okay, let me know if this is a kind of Gurukul, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
This is?
Yes.
Really?
But not fully.
Okay.
Partially it is Gurukul, and Swamiji's ideas was reflected in it.
Okay.
Swamiji was trying to pursue an educational system as the Gurukula system,
Okay, what is
as
the,
the reflection of the Gurukula system.
the one slogan which is here in the university? You all three must be knowing, or you think all the students are aware about? You're going to be saying this through my YouTube channel.
Okay, we can say what we both have to we have to say together.
Yes, together.
Okay.
The one slogan you must be having here for all the students you believe in.
Okay, then we can say.
অনেক আছে তো একটু বলে দাও আমরাও বলবো
Okay, one by one we're going to be. Yeah, you're.
Read Gita every day.
Oh, really? Beautiful.
I would
What
say
next?
arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached.
What was that?
Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached.
Okay, उठो जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक तुम्हें तुम्हारे लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति नहीं हो
In
जाती.
Sanskrit it is उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य वरान निबोधत. Kathopanishad. In Kathopanishad, Yama and Nachiketa in the conversation it is said.
Thank you in 3 languages, by the way. Yeah, your slogan.
be good and do good.
Be good and do good. This is my WhatsApp status. Thank you. We have with us Swami Divyanand, Secretary of Ramakrishna Paramhans Mission, and we're going to be asking few questions to
Actually, today is a blessed day, Swami Vivekananda's birthday, 12th January, and this is 37th National Youth Day. We celebrated in the first half of this day, this festival, virtually. Actually, we could not bring all the students of the locality. In all the years, we bring about 5,000 students and another 5,000 guardians and devotees. Instead of 10,000 people in the scenario of COVID-19, we brought only nearly 200 people, including students. And we actually conducted a big program with song, recitation, lecture, yogasana, drama, Santali dance, and concluded with a very beautiful song, which was sang by Swamiji during his period.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. And in his one answer, we have found lots of answers of mine. But then, yeah, still there is one question which is something which everybody wants to know. That except these students, those who have been here in Ramakrishna Paramhans mission, what do you have got to say about those students who have been living somewhere else from this Ramakrishna Paramhans mission, and they are trying to admire all the rules and regulation was being in life of Swami Vivekananda?
Actually, we meet students in different schools. We go to different schools throughout Bengal, throughout UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, wherever we have center. We conduct many programs with the youth. And boys and girls both, we conduct annual camp where 1 day, 3 days camp is being held. Through that actually, we communicate the message of Swami Vivekananda to all the youth who are not getting the opportunity to study in our colleges or schools. So regularly, as for myself, I will visit actually annually more than 100 schools and colleges.
Sir, in today's generation, this has been completely difficult to be following all the rules and regulations as Swami Vivekananda, because somewhere down the line, nobody is ready to listen to the youth generation now. And if we are going to be looking up, at that period where Swamiji was being here in India and did lots of things for our youth generation and motivate them to fight back and to set the themes on fire before they're going to be going for anything else. All the Quedas have been the great inspiration for all the youth, including me too.
Actually,
what do you have to say about it?
In the nation, about 60% of the population, citizens are youth. But our number is less. Active monks are about, say, 900. And whatever we can do, we motivate as much students as we can. And these students also are struggling hard, and our environment, total environment of the country is not so positive that they can receive all the good messages of great men.
Exactly.
So I think in this period we are to face the challenge and we are to do this. We hope and pray to the Lord for their blessings so that the environment may change. Actually, the whole country is having problem because there is a very little ideal person whom our boys or girls can follow. So we spread the message of Swami Vivekananda. We tell that you take him as your leader, not the present leaders as they are presenting themselves. So this correction is needed.
स्वामी विवेकानंद ने रामकृष्ण मठ, रामकृष्ण मिशन और वेदांत सोसाइटी की नींव रखी। स्वामी विवेकानंद का जन्म 12 जनवरी 1863 को हुआ था। उनका जन्मदिन हर साल युवा दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। 1893 में अमेरिका के शिकागो में हुए विश्व धार्मिक सम्मेलन में उन्होंने भारत और हिंदुत्व का प्रतिनिधित्व किया था। हिंदुत्व को लेकर उन्होंने जो व्याख्या दुनिया के सामने रखी, उसकी वजह से इस धर्म को लेकर काफ़ी आकर्षण बढ़ा। वे औपनिवेशिक भारत में हिंदुत्व के पुनः उद्धार और राष्ट्रीयता की भावना जागृत करने के लिए जाने जाते हैं। उनके विचार ऐसे हैं कि निराश व्यक्ति अगर उसे पढ़े तो उसे जीवन जीने का एक नया मकसद मिल सकता है। जब तक जीना तब तक सीखना, अनुभव ही जगत में सर्वश्रेष्ठ शिक्षक है।